Jai Hind. Myself, Yuvraj Patil. We will discuss today biology subject. In the biology subject, the second chapter, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In this chapter, we discussed some of the points that are nothing but the parts of flower, male gametophyte, female gametophyte, male reproductive structure, female reproductive structure. Male reproductive structure is anther, female reproductive structure is gynosium. In this gynosium we have discussed also the structure of gynosium. Then we will move further, that is female reproductive structure, that is megasporangium. In the megasporangium, that is ovule, how it develops, how it get converted, from which cell it is going to form, or how it is going to form, we will discuss in this class. Megasporogenesis is nothing but the development of megaspore. Okay, mega means, generally mega means big, sporo means spores, genesis means formation. So formation of big spore, big female spore, is called as megasporogenesis. Okay, this is the overall definition according to the word. Now actually in exam we have to write the formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell is called as megasporogenesis. This we have to write in the examination. Okay, before going towards this topic or this question, first, this is the question which will come in exam. 99% they will ask this question in the exam. There are 4 questions in this chapter. Out of that, this is the one, megasporogenesis. This is very very important question which definitely come in the your examination. Okay, final. I hope you will also get this question in the final examination. First definition 1 mark, diagram 2 marks, and description 2 marks. Total 5 marks question. Okay, very very sorry. Very very important, 5 marks. You have to note down. I don't have space, that's why I have to write here. Okay, you can note down on your notebook. Clear? Okay, now shall we move ahead? Yes, surely. I think all are listening with concentration. Okay, now we will move to the main subject, that is our megasporogenesis. The megasporogenesis is nothing but the formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell is called as megasporogenesis. The formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell is called as megasporogenesis. Can you by head this topic? Start. हा म्हणा, प्रत्येकाने म्हणा. Yes. Yes, good. I hope Pratik म्हणताय. The formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell is called as megasporogenesis. Okay, can you see this megaspore somewhere here? First picture, megasporogenesis. This is the megaspore mother cell. The formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell. This is the megaspore mother cell. From this megaspore mother cell, this megaspore is developed. From this megaspore mother cell, this megaspore is developed. This development is called as megasporogenesis. Okay, megasporogenesis. Clear? Now can you see this single cell? This is the megaspore mother cell. This megaspore mother cell divides by meiosis. Write it. I am not able to write this. Meiosis. Meiosis. The megaspore mother cells divides by meiosis to form 4 haploid cells. These are the two again divides and form 4 haploid cells called as megaspore tetrad. This is megaspore. 4 cells are these. Can you see this? These are the 4 cells. 4 haploid cells आतमधले दिसत आहेत ह्या 4 cells 4 megaspore tetrad. Okay, 4 haploid megaspore. Now this 4 haploid megaspore, out of these 4 megaspore tetrad, 4 haploid cells, the 3 cells get degenerated and single cell get nourishment. This type of development is called as monosporic development. In the megaspore tetrad, the 3 megaspore get degenerated and single cell get nourishment. This type of development is called as monosporic development. This type of development is called as monosporic development. Now here onwards, this singly nourished megaspore get divides by divide of its own nucleus. Now here onwards only nucleus divides, not cell, only nucleus divides. Now this nucleus divides by mitosis. Nucleus divides by mitosis. This nucleus divides by mitosis. Can you when this nucleus divides, the two nucleus will move to the opposite pole. Can you see here? This move to the opposite pole. One towards the chalazal end, one towards the micropylar end. Now these two nucleus successively divides 2 times. Once divides and form 2 nucleus, 2 nucleus again divides, total 8, 4 nucleus plus 4 nucleus, total 8 nucleus. The 8 nucleus, the 4 nucleus are arranged towards the chalazal end, 4 nucleus are arranged towards the micropylar end. Okay, out of these 4 nucleus, 1 nucleus move to the center from chalazal end, and out of these 4 nucleus, 1 nucleus move to the center from micropylar end and form into polar nuclei. The whatever the 3 nucleus are present in the chalazal end is called as antipodal cells. Whatever the 3 nucleus present in the micropylar end are called as egg apparatus. The one of the nucleus is called as egg nucleus, and remaining 2 are called as synergids. Okay, now further development takes place. They will move to the, and they will take the nourishment, and it develops into antipodals, polar nucleus enter, egg apparatus, synergids, and can you see here filiform apparatus? They help to direct the pollen tube when pollen tube enters into the embryo sac. This thing we will discuss in next topic. Okay, till here you have understood? Are you getting this point? I hope. Okay, I will go once again, I will go through this. Okay, megasporogenesis is nothing but the development of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell. The megaspore mother cell divides by meiosis to form two haploid cells. Further meiotic second division takes place to form 4 haploid cells called as megaspore tetrad. Out of these 4 megaspore tetrad, the 3 cells get degenerated and single cell get nourishment. This type of development is called as monosporic development. Now the functional megaspores nucleates get divided. The divided nucleus move to the opposite pole. One will move towards the chalazal end, one will move towards the micropylar end. Okay, one will move to the micropylar end. Successive 3 mitotic division takes place of the nucleus and form into 8 nucleus stage. The 4 nucleus are present towards the chalazal end, 4 nucleus towards the micropylar end. 1 nucleus from each side move to the center and form into polar nuclei. The 3 nucleus present in the towards the chalazal end are called as antipodal cells. The 3 nucleus present towards the micropylar end are called as egg apparatus. Out of that 3, one is egg cell, the remaining 2 are synergid cells. Okay, this is the megasporogenesis or development of megaspore. I hope you have understood. Now do one thing, diagram. You have to draw the diagram. Now draw this diagram. Once you have to draw the diagram, जर तुम्हाला वाटत असेल पॉज करा, पॉज करून डायग्राम काढून घ्या. त्यानंतर जे डायग्राम काढल्यानंतर बुकमध्ये केल्यानंतर एक पेज घ्या सेपरेट, पेजवरती डायग्राम काढा, डायग्राम काढून कट करा या पेजला. हे जे डायग्राम आहे त्यांना कट करा, सेपरेट याच्यावरती कट करा, परत त्यांची अरेंजमेंट करा आणि त्यांची नावं व्यवस्थित लिहून काढा. काढून झाल्यानंतर एक टेबलवर किंवा बुकवर अरेंज करा, त्यांचा फोटो काढा, फोटो काढून व्हॉट्सअपवरती तुम्हाला पाठवायचं प्रत्येकाने. ओके, एव्हरीवन हॅव टू बी सेंड दी पिक्स ऑफ द युअर paper cuttings. Clear? I hope all of you have understood. If there is a problem, you can contact. I will always there for you. You can contact at any time, no problem. Okay, I hope you understood, and further next question we'll see in a next video. Till here, do well, be safe, be in the home. Okay, Jai Hind.